Hello, I'm Maya Brown. Welcome to KPOLA, Kids at the Port of LA. Today, we're going to board the SS Lane Victory, a World War II victory ship. Hey guys, now I'm with Greg Williams, Executive Director and retired Merchant Marine.
Good afternoon and welcome aboard the SS Lane Victory. The SS Lane Victory was launched 70 years ago. This year will be the 70th birthday of this ship. The ship was a World War II civilian merchant marine cargo ship as opposed to the Iowa, which was a battleship.
Okay.
People don't understand what the soldiers needed to fight and win World War II. They needed toothpaste, they needed underwear, they needed socks, uniforms, boots, tanks, jeeps, planes. All of that stuff was delivered by civilian sailors of the merchant marine on ships just like this one. We had 16 million American soldiers fought in World War II. These ships carried 132 million tons of supplies in World War II.
Do you know who it's named after?
Yes, the ship is named after Isaac Lane. Isaac Lane was a slave, and upon emancipation, he taught himself to read and write. And then he became a bishop, and he founded Lane College in Jackson, Tennessee. So the ship is actually named after Lane College, founded by Isaac Lane. It was built right over here on Terminal Island in 1945. So there were 467 of these ships built right here on Terminal Island in World War II.
To go to college and able to want to do this in your future, is there anything specialized that you should do?
I think it's a great profession. There are 7 maritime academies. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in, believe it or not, nautical science. And they teach you about meteorology, they teach you about cargo handling, they teach you how a ship is built and why a ship as a big chunk of steel doesn't sink to the bottom and why it, bounces around but stays afloat. So you learn all of those things. You learn how to handle a ship out in the middle of the ocean. You learn how to navigate by the stars and the sun. And so it's a great profession. You get to see the world and you're paid for it. Because remember, on a ship, you can't call the fire department, you can't call the police, you can't call the doctor. You have to take care of it yourself. You make your own food, you make your own water, you make your own electricity. So it's everybody comes together.
Is there any advice that you could give to younger people that want to do this?
I would give any high school student, follow your dreams, follow your passion. If you can find something that you're absolutely passionate about, it will never be work.